Welcome to COLOpeople, your strategic partner for securing solutions for colocation, data center services, connectivity, cloud, or managed hosting.
The financial exchange customers and the financial sector customers, there seems to be tremendous growth and a tremendous demand, especially in the Northeast, primarily New York, New Jersey. If you could take a second and talk about really what you're doing to satisfy their requirements also.
Our IP story is still a great story, right? So you need to make sure that first of all your IP is up, right? All of our facilities, N+1, not just from a card perspective, but from an actual physical device perspective, multiple switches, multiple routers, up to 12 different carriers in every one of our IP facilities. So, making sure that the service is always up and low latency is very important for financial services clients. Ultimately, first of all, it's security, right? So we talked about from a colocation perspective, right? Some of the most secure colocation facilities in the market. When you look at managed hosting, financial services clients, they dive really deep into the minutia of how you manage infrastructure. And we pass with flying colors. So when you look at how we manage a managed hosting infrastructure, so a completely private server environment, custom built for a client, those financial services clients come to us and they dive really deep and they say, look, explain to me exactly how you handle each of these elements. And we have great answers for all of their questions. And so, financial services clients want to know that they're in a secure facility, that if they're using managed infrastructure, that infrastructure is being managed appropriately and securely. Financial services, we've been in that community for a long time, and I would say, a lot of the big names do business with us and continue to do so for all of the reasons that we talked about before. An extremely important consideration for clients is when I go into a facility, do I have the ability to and the flexibility to use whatever carrier I need to use to provide services? And it's important to consider not just what I have today, but what I might have a year from now or 2 years from now.
COLOpeople has you covered. So make COLOpeople part of your IT community. Come visit us at www.colopeople.com.